Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be sharing my technical analysis and price prediction on a coin called VET. Currently ranked number 13, we're sitting at 17 cents, down 10.5%. Market cap being 11 billion, fully diluted market cap being 15 billion, volume in the 24-hour being 1.5 billion, down 62%, circulating supply being 64 billion, total supply being 86 billion. So what is VET? VeCHAIN VET is a blockchain powered supply chain platform begun in 2015 and launched in June 2016. VeCHAIN aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things technology to create an ecosystem which solves some of the most major problems with supply chain management. The platform uses two in-house tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on its chain, VeCHAIN Thor public blockchain. The idea is to boost the efficiency, traceability, and transparency of supply chains while reducing costs and placing more control in the hands of individual users. So guys, I'm not going to be touching the fundamentals. I'm just going to be diving into the technicals. But if you guys are interested in the fundamentals, if you guys want to follow this project, in my opinion, this is a great project. That's why I'm doing a technical analysis on it. You guys could follow them on Twitter right here, VeCHAIN Foundation. They have 276,000 followers. And another thing that I just want to kind of quickly point out, their partners. As we see here, they have quite a bit of partners, great partnerships. China national level partnership, BMW Group, Walmart China, H&M, some big names here, guys. So what we're gonna dive in to the technicals of it, and the reason why I'm gonna be doing a technical analysis on it, this is just my opinion. I think that once Bitcoin stabilizes itself, that we can start seeing money start flowing back into the top 20 projects. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of money that's gonna be flowing in to the low market cap. I think first the money is gonna start flowing into the top 20 big projects, projects with great fundamentals that's been around for a long time. And so that's why I'm going to be doing technical analysis. I'm going to share my buying areas here and target areas. So first things first, guys, we're going to open up VET on the daily on TradingView, and the technical indicators I'm going to be using is going to be the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, the 200, the volume, and the RSI. So what we'll do here, guys, we'll draw some technical support areas. The first one being the 12 cents, roughly the 13 cents area. It acted as support numerous times. It coincides with the 50. There's a lot of confluence here, and the previous dip that it did, it came down to the 13 cents. As we see right here, there was a lot of buyers. Another area, guys, that we're going to be looking at is the 9 cents area, the 7 cents area, 5 cents area, 14 cents, 17 cents, 19 cents, 20 cents, 22 cents, 23 cents, 24, 25 cents, 26 cents, and also roughly the 28 cents. So what we'll do here, guys, we'll open this up on the 4 hours. So previous to this dip right here, which occurred on April 21st, it was forming an ascending triangle where the bottom of this trend right here, the trend line right here, was acting as support. There was clear resistance at 26 cents. We're making higher lows, higher highs. What happened? What happened here, guys, was on April 17th, when Bitcoin moved from $60,000 all the way down to $50,900 within a few hours, it brought down the whole market, and VET currently was at 25 cents, and it came down all the way to 33 cents. Once it did that move down, as we see right here, it caught support on the 50. We had a nice bounce all the way back up to the 26 cents area. And once we had that, it was roughly a 60% bounce, and then we caught resistance. So there was a lot of sellers here. As we see around these areas, there was sellers. And then it came back down. It acted as support, the bottom of this trend line. So it was making an ascending triangle here, 26 cents being the resistance. And then I was anticipating a bounce from right here, but this was the time when Bitcoin was roughly around the $56,000 area, and it moved all the way down to the $49,000 area. So what that did was brought down the whole market with it. Actually, no, sorry, it was roughly the $47,000 area. It broke the $56,000 area key support, and then it brought down the whole market. So we had to pull back, we had to move all the way down 44%. We caught support where at the 13 cents area, at this 13 cents area being a critical area of support, because if we go look at it on the daily, guys, where is the 13 cents? There's confluence right here. The 50 EMA, also a key area of support. The 13 cents acted as support. We'll go back to the 4 hours here, guys, and once that broke, so this pattern right here was not valid no more. We formed another pattern where we were making higher lows and higher highs. As right here, it acted as resistance. Now we're under the 20, the 9, the 50. We're under all the resistance areas. Currently, right now, we're holding the 20 EMA on the daily, and we're under the 9. So guys, so I'm going to be showing some areas of support. So the first area of support being right here, the 17 cents area. Currently on the 4 hour, we have another hour left on the candle. So this area is a critical area of support, acted as support numerous times, acted as resistance. If this area right here does not hold, another area that we're going to be looking for is the 16 cents area. So guys, so if these areas do not hold, another area will be the 14 cents area and the 13 cents area. So I'm going to provide a few scenarios of what could happen here, guys. And what I'm providing here is just my opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean it has to happen. It's just different scenarios that could possibly happen. So one thing, we could break out of this downward resistance area if we start going sideways, and if we hold this area, the 17 cents area, this is a critical area. We need to be able to hold this area, and it's currently right now doesn't really look like we're going to be holding it. But if we do hold it and we start making it going sideways, we'll be able to break out of this downward trend line and start making a move going sideways right here, holding this area of support. And so what needs to happen is Bitcoin needs to be stable at these areas where it is at right now, 49,600, roughly between 50,000 and 49,600 area. And we could have a move, this could also start going sideways, or we could have another scenario. If we could break out of this downward resistance area, we could have a clean break. For this to happen, volume is going to need to start coming in, and Bitcoin is going to need to break the $51,000 area, retest it, and hold it as support. We'll be able to have a nice clean break. If we have a nice clean break and break this 19 cents area, and then catch resistance around the 20 cents, start making higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. For this to happen, guys, Bitcoin needs to break over the $51,000 area. It needs to hold it as support and then slowly start moving up. And then, in my opinion, there's going to be somewhat of confidence in the market, and then money will start flowing in to the top 20 projects, to the big names, and we'll start seeing move up. But currently, right now, where Bitcoin is, a lot of people are uncertain. A lot of people do not want to start pouring money into these coins, any coin to be specific, because where Bitcoin is right now. Because the area of support, this is what we need to be looking at, guys, for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to need to break this $51,000 area for us to start seeing some money coming in. As you see, the volume's been dying out. If you look at most of the exchanges, all the volume's been dying out on a lot of the exchanges. So if this area right here is not, if we're not able to break it, we tested it numerous times. Once we tested it, twice we tested it, and then what happened was it made a higher low. Next time when we came up, we tried to test it. There was a lot of sellers around these areas. So if this right here, if this trend right here, like we're making higher lows. If this does not hold, guys, what's gonna happen? We're gonna come back, roughly test this area around $48,000 area, another area, 47,000. If $47,000 area does not hold, we're going to be coming down to the $44,000 area. These are the areas of support for Bitcoin: 44,000, 42,000, 41,000, and 39,000. So this is where the uncertainty comes in, right, guys? So a lot of people are paying attention to this. They don't know. Like, for instance, if I was going to enter a coin, let's just say I want to enter VET right now, and Bitcoin starts making a move down and breaks this $48,000 area, what's going to happen is we're going to have a aggressive move down. Because $48,000 area being a critical area of support, because we caught support the last time, and if we're not able to hold that area, we're going to have an aggressive move down on VET or any coin. On VET right here, we'll have an aggressive move down to the 12 cents, roughly around the 13 cents area. At this area right here, guys, there will be a lot of buyers, because as we seen last time when that happened, we had a nice move, 58%. Is this going to happen again? Are we going to have another 58% move all the way back up to 20? In my opinion, I don't think so. We can possibly have a move if we do come around here, we get fills in. There will be a lot of buyers here. If we do have another move up, I think we'll catch support around the 17 cents area. And if Bitcoin goes sideways and starts stabilizing, I believe that we can come back and test this area, the 16 cents, and start making a move up, higher lows and higher highs if Bitcoin starts moving up. But if that happens, guys, we'll have a nice initial bounce. But and then also there's going to be a lot of uncertainty. Bitcoin's going to need to consolidate. So these things that I'm saying, it's not necessarily going to happen within days. It could take some time for this to happen. But the areas that you need to be looking for is the 17 cents area, the 16 cents area, the 14 cents area, and the 12 cents area. I personally don't think this will break, but who knows? I personally didn't think Bitcoin will come down from $63,000 all the way to $48,000 either. Anything could happen. So in the short term, so this is just the areas that you need to be paying attention to. So guys, if for instance, let's just say we do hold this area, I could run some extensions on it and we could get some future price predictions and targets. The targets areas are going to be the 20 cents area, the 22 cents area, the 23, 24, and obviously the 26 cents area acted as resistance numerous times, and the all-time high being the 27 cents area. But if we do hold this and start making a move up, we could possibly, if we run an extension on this, let's just say for instance it actually holds this area, we'll run an extension on it and we'll see where it takes us after the all-time high. After the all-time high, it's going to be at 30 cents. These are rough estimates, guys, and ending it with the 50 cents area. So yeah, guys, so that's about it, guys. If you guys did like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and have yourself a wonderful night. Take care. Bye bye.